Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix camera problem in Itel Power 80. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.